Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, January 4th. We saw a low of around 38 degrees here at Wallops, so a little bit mild for this time of year. And that was thanks to abundant cloud cover that we're continuing to see this morning. We're going to continue to see cloudy skies throughout the day today. Temperature is only getting up into the low to mid 40s. And then perhaps seeing a slight chance of a sprinkle as we go into late tonight or the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, and then seeing a chance of an isolated shower tomorrow, but otherwise remaining dry for the next couple of days. Take a look at our surface analysis across the region. We do have some weak high pressure across the deep south there, as well as a weak low across the Great Lakes region, and this stronger low off of the northeast. And these elements combined are helping to draw on some low-level moisture, as well as give us a little bit of upper-level energy, and that's going to continue to give us cloud cover today and tonight, and getting a little bit of a weak shortwave moving across the area early tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. That could give us a slight chance of a sprinkle tomorrow, and perhaps a little bit higher chance of an isolated shower for tomorrow, but chances look pretty low, and if we do see any precipitation, it's just going to be a trace to perhaps 1/100th of accumulation. Taking a look at our satellite across the area, you see it's really just across the central and eastern portions of the Delmarva that's seeing this cloud cover. Far western portions, it's pretty clear, and across much of the eastern half of mainland Virginia, it's clear as well. So just seeing some of that influence from that low that's up off of the northeast, and that's going to help to give us continued cloud cover throughout the day today, as well as helping to aid with those chillier temperatures that are only going to get into the low to mid 40s. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, we are going to be seeing northwesterly winds at the surface through about 12,000 feet, and then they're going to shift more zonal up through 25,000 feet. Winds are pretty light this morning, only running around 7 to 12 knots or so. They'll continue to slowly decrease as we go towards the afternoon hours. We're seeing the winds get a little bit of a lull towards 3 to 6,000 feet there, and then only around 20 knots between 9 to 12,000 feet before quickly increasing from 45 to 65 knots between the 16 and 25,000 foot levels. Freezing level this morning at 5,000 feet. For today, going to be looking at a high of around 45 degrees this afternoon. We're seeing those temperatures struggle to increase this morning, so if that continues, could be seeing high a little bit lower than that. We're going to be seeing northwesterly winds weaken slowly this afternoon, becoming 5 to 10 knots, then 3 to 7 knots overnight, and then seeing a low of around 34 degrees tomorrow. That abundant cloud cover will once again prevent that temperature from dropping too low across the area. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we're going to be seeing overcast skies around 600 feet or so for the next hour or two, then seeing things in the low levels break up a little bit, becoming few at 1,500, overcast at 3 to 4,000 feet by the early afternoon hours. And then as we go towards the mid-afternoon, just seeing some broken clouds near 4,000 feet, few at 2,000. And as we go into the overnight hours, going to continue to see that, possibly seeing those lower-level clouds break up, becoming overcast at 12,000 feet at times. And then towards the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, seeing that cloud deck near 4,000 feet increase once again, becoming scattered at 1,000 feet, overcast at 4,000 feet by sunrise tomorrow. We are seeing tides a little bit high out there this morning at 1 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a look at our long-term weather model to show you how our weather pattern will be progressing. There's that low off the coast. That's also helping to likely give us those slightly higher tides out there this morning, so we should be seeing those tides return to normal over the next couple of days as that low continues to track away from the northeast. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, we're going to get a little bit of a shortwave, upper-level shortwave move across the area. That could give us some spotty sprinkles out there for tomorrow morning, and then into tomorrow afternoon. Looks like that's when the upper-level shortwave is going to pass across the area, giving us a slightly higher chance of an isolated shower or two for tomorrow late afternoon. And then Tuesday night's going to be dry, see things clear out a bit. Wednesday, partly cloudy, as we have a little bit drier air moving into the area and seasonable. And then as we go into Thursday, still going to remain dry. We're going to have high pressure across the Great Lakes region, helping to keep some drier air into the area, keeping skies partly cloudy, maybe some upper-level cirrus moving through the region. Then as we move into Friday, we're going to be keeping an eye on this system that's going to swing underneath this trough here. And then we have some high pressure up across eastern Canada, and that's going to help to draw in some cooler air. There is some discrepancy across the models right now at exactly how much cold air is going to be drawn into the local region, and how that's going to coincide with this system that's going to swing across the southern states and then move up closer to our area. We are seeing some indication that we could be seeing snow as we go into Friday night into Saturday. Still a lot of uncertainty with that, but if everything comes together correctly, where we get enough cold air drawn in and this low takes the appropriate path, then we could be seeing the possibility of our first real winter event across the Delmarva as we go into Friday night and possibly into Saturday as well. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. Behind there, going to be seeing some cooler air and drier air moving into the region for Sunday. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be looking at pretty similar conditions temperature-wise as we go throughout much of the week. Going to be seeing temperatures in the mid-40s pretty much every day, Monday through Thursday. We'll see some more mild lows tonight and Wednesday morning, only hovering around freezing, seeing that chance of an isolated shower tomorrow. And then those partly cloudy skies returning Wednesday and Thursday with that drier air moving to the region. We'll see those lows finally dip down below freezing once again as we get into Thursday morning and Friday morning with lows of 28 degrees expected, and then a chillier high of 43 degrees expected on Friday. And like I said, expecting that possibility of some rain or even snow Friday or Saturday night. Still a lot of uncertainty with that system, but could be seeing the chance of maybe our first real winter weather event as we go Friday night into Saturday. Saturday is going to be chilly regardless, seeing a high of only around 40 degrees, low of 26, and then seeing a seasonable day under partly cloudy skies Sunday with a high of 44. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.